Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to our channel. Sarah is gonna make peanut butter oats. So at first we're gonna add 1 cup of low fat milk in a pan. I'm gonna use half cup of Kellogg's oats today. Letting the milk to come to a warm temperature, I'm not gonna boil it. Pouring all half cup of the oats into the pan. Now I'm going to mix it. Then I'm gonna add 1 teaspoon of honey and mix it again. The purpose is to make it healthy, so we're gonna add everything in moderate amount. I'm going to add 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla essence. The key ingredient, 1 teaspoon of peanut butter. It doesn't get off. Gonna cook it till it thickens. I should have taken a bigger spoon or a whisk. I'm going to mix it till it comes to a sticky consistency. Now I'm gonna add half teaspoon of cocoa powder and mix it. Then I'm gonna top it with some sprinkles. To make it healthy, you can use your own measurement of the ingredients I have used. There you go, yummy peanut butter oats. Thanks for watching.